Hey guys, what's up? And today we're going to be looking at all the updated information for this up and coming winter storm for the east and the central U.S. And if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you like the weather, please subscribe. First, we're going to take a look at the overnight GFS model, and it shows the same thing it's been showing. It goes out to sea, doesn't go up the coast. However, the European and the Canadian model completely disagree with that, and they have it going up the coast and becoming a major nor'easter. So, what would that look like? There, the piece of energy comes down, develops, and then travels up, and then stays really close to the coastline, and goes right up the coast, and then it drops to a 972, 968, and becomes a major nor'easter. So, we're 5 days out, 4 days out, depending on where you are, and the models are still showing this much disagreement, but actually the 12 o'clock GFS is out, so take a look at that. And, okay, so, there we go. The GFS has flipped to showing what the Euro says, and now instead of going out to sea, it does right off the coast. So, we have agreement in all the three major models that this is going to happen. So, we're pretty confident. The general track, the track is going to change countless times before it happens, but we're pretty confident that it's going to head up the coast. Depending on how close it's going to be, will depend on how much snow you get and how long this thing lasts. So how much snow could we get out of this? Well, 12 o'clock GFS says a decent amount here. So this is this is halfway through New Jersey, 17. Coastline of Jersey showing 18. Central Delaware showing 20. South Delaware showing 17. North Delaware showing 14. Maryland showing 20. So this is a widespread 14 to 20-inch snowfall on this particular GFS model. But the Euro shows the same thing because we now have agreement on all the models. What does it show? It shows the same line, except first of all, it's way further north. You can see where other places in Delaware are getting 10. It's getting 10. 18. It's getting 10. Then you have that snow of 18 way further north. And you see that line of 18 all the way up there. So you can see the track is very different on these two models, and we're going to keep narrowing this track down. And in the coming days, we'll be able to narrow the track down, and then therefore we'll be able to start talking about snowfall totals. So it's going to be very cold, so the snow is going to be falling at more than 10 inches per 1 inch of rain. And this is also going to produce some ice, so let's take a look at how much ice we could get. So here you go. This is your storm. There you go. Take it through the storm. And you see right here, this pocket of North Carolina into Virginia, you get upwards of 3/4 of an inch of ice, which is devastating amount. This definitely will verify. It's going to change on where it is, but in this general area, there's going to be a big ice storm, and that's almost more dangerous than the snow. So if you live in those areas, keep watching this. It's going to have major impacts on travel. So let's talk about the timing for this. So here, let's pause it right there. That is 1 hour and 16 minutes. So let's go, just 1 hour 20. And then we're going to go here. And now we'll be able to compare all the different timings for the storm. Okay, so I'm trying to find... Alright, so here is the GFS model. This is Thursday morning at 6 a.m. So where does the Euro have it? Pretty similar, actually. The low is much more further south, which I said the track will change. But the timing of the storm is pretty similar. What does the Canadian say? Well, let's take a look. It is also much further south. So, track's going to continue to change, and we're going to continue to narrow down the timing and the potential impacts for the storm. If you live in the Northeast Mid-Atlantic, continue to watch this. This is going to be a very dangerous system, and it's going to produce a lot of snow. Don't know where yet, but we're going to keep watching it. One more thing we can look at is the blend of all models for the snowfall. And if you take a look at this, you see you have almost a 9-inch snowfall, 7 to 9-inch snowfall average throughout the whole entire Northeast and Mid-Atlantic. 4 days out, that is a crazy, almost unheard of. That's just absolutely insane. So, confidence is majorly growing with this storm system. That's all I have for today. We'll bring you an update this afternoon. See you guys.